Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. See here, today in this video, I'll be explaining you how to put website or web apps on your home screen. See here, you can see the Chrome icon. See here, when I tap on this, this is opening google.com/finance. This is a website. For one click access, I just created a web app shortcut and kept on my home screen. Likewise, you can also keep whichever the website may be. It is very easy. So first of all, let me delete this, drag and drop it over, remove so that it gets deleted. I'll be opening this or putting this again on the home screen so that you will also get to know. Open the Chrome website and visit the website which you want to create the web app. Say for example, for now I'm just visiting a website. Then click on the three dots and click on add to home screen, then click on install. So that's it. So this website will be installed as a web app on your home screen or some other. I just need to drag this and drop it on my home screen. Now when I click on this, with one tap you can open that particular website as an app. One click access, right? So if you feel this tutorial, please do hit a like. That would be a really great help for me. And along with that, see here, I kept two different country timings on my home screen. If you want that tutorial, just find it in the description. I already uploaded that. I kept one click access for Google Gemini and Chat GPT on my home screen, and I kept one tap access for just for the tutorial purpose I created. I'll be dropping that link also in the description. Please do check it in the description. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.